Hi everyone, Traci here with Kokokahn Essential Oils. Wanted to talk to you today about how to use essential oils safely on the skin. So essential oils are very strong, concentrated compounds that when used on the skin undiluted, they can cause skin irritation and allergic reactions. So it's really important that we dilute them in what we call a carrier oil so that we can use them safely and effectively on our skin. So a carrier oil is a vegetable-like oil, or it can even be like an aloe gel, but some examples of carrier oils are coconut oil, almond oil, sunflower oil, jojoba oil, etc. But we're going to dilute the essential oils into the carrier oil. And there's 3 dilution rates, depending on the health of your skin, the age of the person, and what the area of the body you're using it on. So the first dilution rate is 1%, and 1% is for children over 5, people with thinning skin that is sensitive skin areas, or that aging skin that gets very thin, also sun-damaged area skin, or the face. If you're making any products that you're going to use on your face or your neck décolleté area, then you want to do 1%. And 1% is 5 to 6 drops of essential oil into 2 tablespoons or 1 ounce of carrier oil. Our next dilution rate is 2%, and 2% is for healthy skin, something that you're going to use on your skin every day. So 2% is 8 to 10 drops of essential oil into 2 tablespoons or 1 ounce of carrier oil. And then our last dilution rate is 3%, and 3% is for those occasional uses such as painful areas, upset tummies, something that you want to hit strongly, but you're not going to use it every day in the same spot, so to speak. So 3% dilution is 15 to 18 drops of essential oil into 2 tablespoons or 1 ounce of carrier oil. So that is my lesson today on how to use essential oils safely on the skin. I hope you guys will subscribe to my YouTube channel and maybe hop over to the website. We have all the carrier oils I talked about, plus loads of essential oils to check out on our website. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.